Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Guess what I'm making today? We're doing another rug. And after inverting it, we're going to go ahead and trace this image. And now that we got it all traced out, let's grab our gun and jump right into it. Now that we got the outline and the hair covered, we're moving on to the shadows. So let's grab our colors. Gotta lock and load the gun. And let's get it. Actually decided to do the sweatbands all together. But I went back and finished all the shadows. Alright, now that all that's taken care of, we're gonna fill it in. First, his shirt. And basically all that's left is the skin, so let's work on that. And this is why I never check my progress. This is cursed. Anyways, let's finish this off. I just need the background, so I think I'm gonna go with the red. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, let's go with the red. Now to stick it all together, we're gonna use this carpet adhesive and we're just gonna slap it on the back. And 24 hours later, all dried up. Let's grab our electric scissors and cut this thing out. And there it is. Now we're just gonna flip it over and we're gonna slap on the back. I'm gonna be using this felt fabric. Perfect. Alright, let's flip it over. And after all that work, all we gotta do now is shave it down and clean up the edges. And here it is, the final product. Hope you guys love it as much as I do. And that's it everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Helps me out so much, so yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.